Hello, Sharon here, and I wanted to do a little unboxing from the package that I received from the little corner shop. Aloha Creations has a new little shop that she's been thrifting for things and finding all kinds of wonderful little things for junk journals, and she's making kits and everything. I will link to her in the notes so that you can go check out her shop because she has so much cool stuff. So here's my package that I got, and I went ahead and opened this, but I haven't really gone through anything yet because I wanted to kind of do it, you know, together. Oh, and it's open on this end too. So let me do this. Okay, so I got, oh, I can't wait to look at this. Oh, maybe I should do it this way. Ooh, aw. She has a little card here for me, which I will read later. And then she has a little separate gift. Isn't this just adorable? Let's see, I'm going to open this up. And I like this little baggie. It's kind of, it's a beautiful little pattern, but it's kind of plasticky. You know, it's not like a paper bag. So let's see here if I can find everything. Aw. And there's a couple stamps here. And those are very cute. Here, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take my envelope and I'll put some things on here so you might be able to, and I'll hold them up so we can see them a little bit better. Let's see what else we got. This looks like a little sticker. I just love sunflowers, so that's cute. Oh, and then this feels like wallpaper, and she made a little tag out of that. That's really cute. And then this looks like a vintage illustration that she fussy cut. My goodness. And another little picture here. They're not all going to fit on there. And then, I don't know what this is. This little bit of ephemera and some tickets. Those are always fun to use. So there's the stamps and the little tag and the sticker. Those stamps are really cute. I like those. And I can always use stamps for sure. And then there's a little coin envelope here that has a little bit of vintage ephemera with a little cute Cupid on there. That's really cute. So thank you, Aloha. That was very nice. Okay, and now let's get into some of these other packages. So these are what I had actually ordered from the shop. So let me do this one first. This is some vintage wallpaper. So I'm going to open this because I can already tell that I totally love it. I really like vintage wallpaper. And I mean, even just the feel of it and everything, it's really nice. So you can see this is from, you know, like a sample book probably. Oh, and look at that with the little seahorse. That is really cool. And yep, I just love the way it feels. And then some flowers and some trees. I asked for some blues. That's what I asked for when I got this package. And these are some beautiful blues. Ooh, I like that one. This one's kind of shimmery, but it has lots of great flowers on there. And actually, all these look different up until now. Let's see, this one, these two look the same, but this is a nice big piece. So, and that is really cool. Like there's, you can kind of see, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's like a silver frond here that kind of disappears depending on which way you turn the paper. It's really neat. And then this one, so this looks like a bigger piece of some of the little ones I got. So, oh, I like this tree. It's like a blooming tree, maybe Rose of Sharon or something like that. Perfect for me, being Sharon and all. Ooh, and this is another piece of that one with the seahorse, some shells and a little, I don't know if that's a pelican or I'm not sure what kind of bird that is. Some kind of seabird. I don't think pelicans have necks that long. I'm not sure. And then this one is also another piece of the smaller one I have. And this one has little gold flecks in the middles of the flowers. Oh, it's really, really pretty. Thank you so much, Aloha. I knew that you would be able to pick out some wonderful papers for me. And then I also got this kit. And unfortunately, I can't remember the name of what it was, what, you know, kind of thing it was. But it had all kinds of different ephemera in it. So that's what I'm assuming I'm getting here. So I'm going to try to find where to open it. Oh, I think this is it right here. And we'll see all the goodies in here. And I love getting little packs of ephemera from other people because, you know, in different areas you have access to different things. So it's really cool to see what kind of things, you know, other people find in their area. So let's see here. Oh, look, this is a little ephemera holder pouch. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Aloha. So it looks like she started with a book page and she made a little ephemera holder. So this little pouch has all these great little pictures in it. Oh my gosh, I love them. They feel like they came out of maybe a magazine or a book or something. Wow, isn't that cute? Aw, there's a dog. On top of that, I don't know, one of those little aqua vehicles that can go in the water or on the land. That's so cool. That's great. I love them. And this is a cute little tuck spot. She has them in here. And then here's another pocket right here. And there's some more little pieces of ephemera here. My goodness, my Guinness. That's cute. I like that. And what is this? USA Rice. Riziana. Little advertisement picture. Ooh, and this, I'm not sure this is what language this is. I don't recognize. Kind of looks maybe Greek, but I'm not positive about that. This looks Greek here. I don't know, but that's really cool. I like things in different languages. Very neat. And this, Abington Bank and Trust, an old check from 1946. I totally love that. That is really cool. I love how they when they were cashed, they would put I don't know if you can see that. They put like dots in them. They stamped something, you know, dots in them, holes in them. Reminds me of, oh, I can't think of that Christmas Train movie where he punches the tickets and the one says believe. I don't know. I'm having brain problems today. Oh, and look at this. It looks like a film strip, but it's like an advertisement. That's really cute. And then some more old pictures. These look somewhere in the tropics, possibly. Some people dancing. Isn't that nice? And it looks like they're collecting something. I don't know. Maybe some water in these jugs? I don't know. That's pretty neat. And there's another one of these advertisements in that language, which I do believe is Greek. This looks even more like Greek now that I'm looking at it. Ooh, and a nice old picture. Looks like military, possibly some nurses or cooks or something. I'm not sure. And some more Greek advertisement. That one looks like for a bundt pan or maybe bundt pan mix. Maybe for Christmas. The little holly there. That's really cute. And then some kind of sauce. Hard to tell because I don't read Greek. But that's really cool. I like all those. That's very neat. Okay, and then there's even more over on the other side. Let's see, I can pull these out. Let's see what we got here. More black and white pictures and some more Greek things. Oh, that's cute. The pictures there. Looks like maybe that's for butter or something. And then some more black and white pictures. These all look like they must have come from, you know, the same article or something like that. Imperial leather. That looks kind of like soap, maybe? Huh. But that's also in Greek. And all that's in Greek. Aloha. I can't read Greek. But that's very cool. I love it. Ooh, that's a pretty picture, too. Castle or something there. And an old house. Very nice, very fun. Definitely can use those in journals to make some fun ephemera or pages. Ooh, and look at this. Oh, I love this little glassine envelope. This is beautiful. Wow. I want to be very careful with that. More stamps. And these look like some used stamps, and they are all different colors, it looks like here. Some red, some green. Oh my gosh, I love them. They are so cool. Very nice. I love them. And this looks like it might be German. And these are stamped London. but they do look German. The stamps actually look German. They say Deutsches Reich, Reichpost. Very cool. I don't know how old they're from. I can't really read the dates if there are any on here. I'm sure there are, but kind of hard to read with all that stuff. But these are so, I love the little envelope that they came in. Aloha, very cute. Put that there. And then another, what is this? Oh, this is like a little pocket. Oh my goodness. Even more little stamps in there. Let me see. Some of them are upside down. Some of them look the same, but there's some brown ones. I like the brown ones too. And these look maybe, well, I don't know. I was going to say British, but that doesn't necessarily mean that's correct. I mean, the wording there is English, so postage and revenue, where these are German on those. And then these look like they might be similar to the other ones that were in the other pack. This one's really kind of neat. It's hard to see where that one's stamped from, but I love the stamps on there too. That's very cool. Ooh, I like those. And then what do we have here? Ooh, this feels like some kind of natural fiber, like almost like a very thin wood or something. It feels like if I bend it too much, it would break. I don't know what that is, like a thick papyrus or something. I don't know. It's really cool feeling. And more tickets. I love tickets, so those are fun. And let's see, the Rainbow Poetry Book. This is cute. And then all kinds of poems. And look at these cute little drawings. Oh my goodness, those are so fun. I love this. Very cute. All right. And then we have paper clip. And this looks like an old postcard. Yes. I'm not sure. This almost looks like it might be written in French, though it was sent to someone in Brussels, Belgique. I don't know. That's really cool. It's a neat old picture. And this looks like an old letter. Wow, that's really cool too. I love old handwriting, so that's really neat to see all that. I'll have to read over it sometime. I don't know exactly what it, says, but I was at summer school and I had one big time. Oh, that's really fun. So there's no date on that, but that's really neat. Okay, and then this looks like it came from a magazine, or it feels like it came from a magazine, with some fun pictures in there and some advertisements, more poetry, like that. And then this feels like it came from a book. This says The Flood. Maybe it's the story of the flood. Noah, yeah, I'm thinking maybe. And then Odysseus and Circe, maybe? Circe. I don't know how to pronounce that. Paradise of Children. So this maybe is just a storybook, but this one feels really cool. I like the feel of these book pages. And then this one is written in French, looks like. And that's fun. This looks like it could be a book of plays. That's kind of what that looks like. Very neat. And then these are from very old magazines, it feels like. Oh, look at that. Mercury Trucks for $48. That's really cool. And some tools. That's really cool. And then this looks like a dictionary. Oh, I love dictionary pages. So this one feels very brittle too, but it's just beautiful. The color is amazing. And I like that. I would love to have seen the whole book. The binding must have been really cool on that. Must have been neat. And what do we have here? The British Columbia Technical Education and Capital Assistance to Local Governments. Wow, this is very official. Look at those old cars. That's awesome. Very cool. Some kind of report there. Pacific Great Eastern Railway. Ooh, look at this. I love old ledger paper. That's really fun. Oh, and it's like a big sheet together. That's really neat. I love it. And then this is just some large lined paper. That's really kind of fun too. It looks like, I don't know, it was torn out of something, but that's really, I don't know, I like the size of that. It's very neat. And then music pages. And who doesn't love music pages? Oh, I do. I love them. Ooh, and this one has a fun picture on there in a goldfish bowl. That's fun. So that is it. That is my little junk journal kit that I got from, I think it's called A Little Corner Shop. But like I said, I will link it below so that you can go check out her shop. I think that she's having another sale very soon. So go check out her shop and get some notifications turned on so that you can get some of these really cool things that she has in her shop. Thanks so much, Aloha, and I'll see you all later. Bye-bye.